I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Amazon Prime membership and get a refund, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and sign in with your account credentials. This is where you allow manage your membership settings. Step 2. Navigate to your Prime membership. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and List menu at the top right, then click on your Prime membership. This will take you to the membership management page. Step 3. Click on Manage Membership. On the Prime membership page, look for the Manage Membership section. Here, you will find options to update or cancel your membership. Step 4. Select End Membership. Click on End Membership and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information about your remaining benefits. Step 5. Request a refund. If you are eligible for a refund, you will see an option to request it after cancellation. Follow the instructions to submit your refund request. Keep in mind that refunds are typically processed within a few days. Remember, if you cancel your membership before your next billing date, you may be eligible for a full refund. If you run into any issues, double-check the cancellation confirmation screen for any additional steps. I hope this helps you navigate the cancellation process easily.